Hi, I'm Pauline from Bolton Technical. Welcome to my home. Thank you for joining us. Today, we're going to show you how to install a signal booster in a home. Let's go for it! Once you have located the direction of your nearest cell phone tower or the spot on your property with the best signal, you want to set up your outside antenna here. You can then run the cable from the outside antenna and connect to your booster and place that inside. Don't mount this yet. It's best to do a soft installation. To check that the system is working optimally and not oscillating before you go ahead and permanently installing the booster. Place the panel or inside broadcasting antenna in an area where you normally use your cellular device or the area with the weakest signal. Switch on the booster and see if your signal improves using one of our recommended signal apps. The outside antenna and the inside antenna are clearly marked on the amplifiers. If your booster has a red flashing light, your outside and inside antennas are too close together, causing oscillation. Put more distance between the two antennas and it should solve this. A orange solid light means the signal coming in is too strong. Adjusting the antenna slightly should solve this issue. All our boosters have automatic gain control, which regulates the signal strength. Once you are happy with the amplified signal, you can now permanently install the system and enjoy stronger signal. Thanks so much for joining us. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Most importantly, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheerio! If you need assistance like I do with installing your signal booster, then you can just call the Bolton office. We are always available. Make sure to plug in all your antennas before you switch on your booster. Bolton Technical, built for better signal. You can find us on www.boltontechnical.co.za